I want to take this opportunity to welcome you to this year's Code Festival competitions. This festival generally is more than just a competition. It is a launch pad for the next generation.
It doesn't matter how young you are or how old you are. The journey of innovation starts with you. I want to believe that your dream is capable of being achieved if somebody is going to come down and hold you.
My name is David Nsambi. I'm making a website about 3D printing, how it works, why you should learn about it. Yeah, so basically filament goes through this nozzle, which leads to the extruder, which helps print everything. It's heated to 200 degrees Celsius for the plastic to melt. The bed is also heated to 60 degrees, so the print sticks. The bed moves around. The main motherboard feeds info to all the motors to move the printer around, to print whatever model you've uploaded.
So Code Festival is not just about one day of performing, of exhibiting. It's about what you'll do tomorrow after you drive all the way back to Bungoma, back to your schools in Nairobi. It's all about that kind of thinking. Our goal for you is to, one, learn how skilled, talented, how much strength you have in terms of your brain capacity, and then take it out there.
This is something of national concern, that we need to empower our learners and tell them that AI is not coming to replace our jobs. AI is coming to help us be better in our jobs.
My name is Ethan Kinyati. I'm from Nova Pioneer, Touching International, year 7, going to year 8. So for today, I used the robot coils in Global. Really advanced kit. It's going to take over the market. It's going to overtake Lego. And I know I can show you a demo, but I'm not done yet. This is how it starts. So basically, that's how the robots work.
If you love coding, building, and solving problems, there are incredible jobs waiting for you. You could be a robot designer, creating machines that help people every day. You could be an AI game developer, making the next big game, video game everybody wants to play. To get ready though, you need to be curious, always ask questions and explore. You need to be creative, imagine new solutions that nobody has ever thought before.
For those who have coding and robotics clubs in school, and all those things that the teachers are teaching you in school, just take them seriously, work hard, so that you are better prepared.
Imagine where we will be after AI. AI is a relatively new innovation, and I'm sure it is not the end of innovation in technology. Where next?
My name is Arnav Tiagi from Acacia Crest Academy, and this is our group. So we made a website on climate change awareness, and here it is. This is my homepage, which starts off with the dark and light mode toggle, and then it has the quick links also, which work as you can see. And then if you click on this, it will email me directly. So I start with the definition of climate change, the causes, and in each category I've put a section image and a paragraph.
To all of you young people, don't fear hard things. Don't fear positive struggle. If you have muscles, it's only because you've been exercising. If you don't exercise, your body will atrophy. And you can tell from people who are fit, they're putting in the time. So put in the time to learn about AI, about the future, about tech, because that's where we're heading.
I wish you all the best as you continue coding. And like I said before, you are the future builders of artificial intelligence.
My name is Ignatia Salman from Strathmore School. I am a Form 3. Today I came to attend the coding festivals. It was quite competitive. Some schools here had quite the good innovations like a smart board, a trash collecting robot, and even a mobile app. It was wonderful to see all these innovative ideas.
Kevin Obote. I'm a research scholar in iLab Africa, Strathmore University, data science and analytics student, and currently I've been given the honor to be part of judges. So today I got the chance to interact with wonderful students who are very visionary and innovative, and I'm quite positive with these such initiatives you're going to improvise and also foster innovation and STEM culture in Kenya.
I'm Precious and I'm from Nova Pioneer Tattoo International, and I would say that this event has been so amazing. It gives an opportunity for all students to showcase what they've been doing in coding.
This year's Code Festival, I actually really enjoyed it, and it was better than last year's. I was so shocked to see a lot of schools, a lot of new places I did not see last year.
My name is Maki Protich from St. Luke's High School, Kimilili. First of all, I thank God, although we have traveled all night. Won for the robotics category, first position. Next year I'm coming to defend this trophy, and I'm sure also next year we are going to take the trophy and go to South Africa.
I expect a lot from coding festivals, especially the international level in the East African Championships. To everybody here, don't worry, there's always next year. It's an annual event. There's a great opportunity here. You can do your best, and I know God will be with us all. So thanks for having us. Today was very great, and we will not back down. See you next year.